G'day guys, Robbie Robster here. In today's video we'll be unboxing my diagnostics tool that I purchased off eBay last week, and it just came in this morning. Very excited to open this up because hopefully this will diagnose a few issues on the Mini Cooper. Now if you haven't checked out my first video, go and check that out. I'll give you a slight introduction on the car itself. Also, after this unboxing, I'll post another video on running through all the problems that I've got. But this video will be purely unboxing and running through the different functionalities. I have no professional experiences in diagnostic tools, so my review will be based on an amateur level and how easy these things can be or can't be. And I'll leave that up to you guys to comment below. Alright, so let's get to it and start unboxing this precious little item here, and let the excitement begin. Open up the first bag. How awkward would it be if this is like something from a sex shop and I'm not doing it? Bag within the bag. It's going to get smaller and smaller. Alright, so I can feel the hard case. Alright, so at first glance you can see that I've got a Maxi Diag, a MD 808, MD 808 Pro professional scan tool. The reason why I got this one is because there does a lot more functionality than the base model. Now this is just the mid-range one. The base models would only do certain diagnostics on certain cars. The expensive one would pretty much do anything you want it to. This one, however, will do pretty much any cars that are supported by the OBD2 functionality. Just to give you just a quick idea what this one does. We've also got the support of reading and erasing codes, live data functions, engine, transmission, ABS and airbag systems. And that's one of the things that I'm hoping will fix the Mini Cooper is the airbag system. It also supports the oil service resets, the service kilometer age and service interval resets. So basically any servicing that you have done on your car, you can reset those codes so they don't have to bother you. This one is supporting the parking brake pad. Again, don't even know what that is, so steering angle sensors. Don't really need that function. Don't need this function, which is the diesel. Mine is a petrol car, so maybe if I get a diesel, that might come handy next time. Battery registration. Now I have reset the battery in my Mini Cooper, so this is another thing that would interest myself and the car. And obviously the check engine lights, and hopefully we can diagnose a few things there. But judging on just the packaging alone, it comes in a hard case, well presented. The other side here, that's probably the front, I guess. Yeah, that's the front. We got anything else there? Yeah, okay. It's a 800 by 480 LED display, multi-language support. It's got a 16 gig micro SD card. It's got a limited 1-year warranty, which is great. I guess you don't want to be purchasing things that don't come with a warranty, just in case something happens with it. you don't want to be wasting so much money on something like this. And also we've got free software updates, and that's another thing that the cheaper ones won't do. I'm not talking about this brand, but the cheaper ones you can't update. You pretty much have to just go with that, what it came with. Yeah, so let's go, let's open it up. I should put it this way. Alright, so here we got the cable that hooks up to the device and also to the OBD2 port. Definitely doesn't look like cheap materials. It's like really good firm plastics, cables. What do we got over here? So we got a USB to, I'm guessing, hook up to your PC to the actual diagnostics tool. Some jelly. Do not consume these. I'm not a professional, but I know, do not consume these. Serious. Alright, so we've got the actual diagnostics tool. Actually, it's quite light. Massive display. I thought there was a scratch there for a moment, but that's just a screen protector. Really firm buttons. I'm actually really pleased with it. Just up the back we've got the make and model. And over here, okay, so we got some Velcro to hold in some paperwork and some instructions. Okay, so we've got here how to update the system, which I might do before I actually use this, just in case there's, whenever this got made, that it didn't come with updated software. So we might do that first. And looks like a user manual. Looks like I've got some reading to do. But at first glance, it actually looks quite sturdy. We'll have to put it through its tests to see how well it actually works. But yeah, guys, this is obviously just a short video, just for the unboxing. Check out my next video, which should be not too long, hopefully today or tomorrow. We'll get a run through on the car, what problems that we have, and hopefully diagnose a few issues that we can go and fix. Okay guys, so that is the product review. I'll be putting through its tests in the next video. So please subscribe, comment, like, share, and if you've got any professional experience on this tool or a tool that is similar, please comment and let me know what I'm doing wrong. This is a channel where you help me grow as a mechanic, car restorer, and we will hopefully get the 2006 Mini Cooper S running. And I really am banking on this to fix a few codes on on the cards that's stopping the car from running. Alright guys, so that is the wrap on this video. I'm Robbie Robstar, and ciao for now.